What's up, guys? Brendan from Market Makers. My friends, this is the opportunity of a lifetime, and I'm not over exaggerating. I was working at the investment bank in 2008 when the market crashed. All of these markets are in a gigantic bubble. Can the bubble go out another year? Sure, it could. It doesn't matter. We're going to trade the swings, but everything is overvalued. That's not just me saying this, okay? This is Nouriel Roubini. This is, Ray Dalio. Billionaire hedge fund managers Michael Burry of the Big Short movie, who made 489 billion with a B for his fund when he shorted the housing market, the first person to see it. He says this crash will be deeper than 1929, looking at an 80% correction. Is that accurate? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. If you get a 20% correction, this is massive amounts of money on the table, my friends. You don't see this all the time. Very few times in your lifetime. You have to go way back, 1929, 1989, dot-com bubble. Some of you may not have been alive during the dot-com bubble, okay? The crash, the pandemic crash. And now we have this opportunity that we are trading in this massive bubble because of the US Fed, because of the US policy and government printing trillions of dollars, and now they're cutting off the pipeline. They are tapering and the markets are going to react. I bring up Michael Burry because he famously put 1 billion with a B put options on Tesla last quarter. And what did Tesla do? This is a Tesla chart. Tesla did nothing but go up, okay? It went up and up and up, and he exited his position. You know what we did yesterday? What I did? I posted a Tesla short yesterday. Why? Because it completed a Fibonacci pattern that we have, and we got a 7.5% drop from Tesla, okay? So Brendan Burry knocked out the Tesla trade. You guys need to come check the room out. You can try it out for a week for free, no risk, no obligation, cancel, full refund, my friends. If you want to trade stocks, if you want to trade commodities, specifically metals and oil, and if you want to learn Forex, we have the best community for this. This is not a Telegram group where I just publish a trade and nobody interacts with you. We have live streams with professional market intelligence. We have professional traders who do this full time. They day trade. I day trade. Guys, it's an awesome team, and I suggest you check the room out. Again, almost 6,000 people on our crypto room. So let's go ahead and go through this. So Tesla's dropping now. Let's go through some of the, let's start off with the DXY. The DXY, my friends, if you watch my last Pro Trades video, this did literally exactly what I said it would do. Exactly what I said it would do. It would come down, test the heart line in the Fibonacci pitchfork, move up, and bounce off this 0.5 fib retracement, and then now it's just consolidating. This is a super bullish US dollar, multiple new yearly highs over the last 2 weeks. Guys, this is going to heavily affect the markets, okay? People are pulling their money out of speculative assets, including crypto, and putting it in cash. Everybody is going to be doing this, okay? They're doing this because it is the safest place to be, even though cash, as we know, is really worth nothing, fiat currency. But if the market crashes, you don't want your money in the market. We're going to ride the market waves up and down until a crash. If it keeps making new all-time highs, we're taking the longs. If it keeps dumping, we're going to be shorting. There's so much money to be made, my friends, in this market. You guys have no idea. I was in the bank when this happened in 2008, okay? You can see how much money you can make if you play these markets correctly. Experience matters. So let's look at this. The Dow, which we published this trade in our room, shorted the Dow, down 3% at its peak, 3.25% at its peak, fell below the 200 moving average and is starting to recover. Partly because the SPX, which we're going to get to next, let's go ahead and go to that, just completed a bullish cipher. Now in our room, I shorted the SPX. I shorted it twice. I shorted at the all-time high, and then I shorted it again at the all-time high. Got this fantastic drop, and now it's pumping back up on this bullish cipher pattern. I hope this thing pumps up much higher so I can short the hell out of it again. Okay, we're looking at patterns. We're looking at Fibonacci patterns. We're using multiple indicators for confluence. Guys, these trades have been getting knocked out of the park. It's been very, very key and making profit in this room. Here's a daily pattern for the SPX, and if you see what's happening here, I have my Andrews pitchfork here. We were trading in a somewhat of an ascending angle here, and we did fall out of it, and we used the base of the pitchfork, a Fibonacci point, for support. I have my Darvos box here, and I'm looking to add to my position. If we can pump back up, get back up in this range, I will be shorting the SPX again, and then watching it fall as I add to my position and increase my profits. Okay, so let's go to the weekly. I can tell you exactly, I think, how this will play out with the SPX. Okay, what's going to happen is you saw here, well, actually, I didn't show you this on the daily. You have a really nice double top. Okay, you see this? You have a very nice double top forming. So your double top can break this neckline through the Darvas box, fall down, and you're in a whole nother grid, okay? And if it's going to consolidate, it's going to pump up and down, it's going to find Fibonacci patterns. If it starts falling down some more, this is going to be an awesome descent to capture with trades. And you can see this happening on the weekly time frame as well. What do you have here? A left shoulder. What do you have here? A head. That double top on the daily is going to drop this, and you're going to be in this grid trading up and down, right? And what are you going to be doing? Possibly a right shoulder. And then if you break your neckline down here in the Darvas box, you are dropping, my friends. These things are out of gas. These markets have been overinflated with cheap cash. A lot of these stocks are way overvalued. Rivian, I think, is the third or fourth most valuable car company now in the world, and they've only made 156 cars. 156 cars. That's why their stock volatility is 20-30% up and down all over the place. So there's so much free money dumping into these markets, and people are starting to get scared. People are starting to exit and put it into cash. The dollar is going super bullish. Gold, my friends, man, you know, gold just cannot seem to climb out of this underperforming slump. We had this great ABCD pattern, got this awesome rise in gold. We did catch a bearish butterfly, and gold has literally just fallen off a cliff right at the PRZ, right at the roof line. Like I said in my video, we're going to hit that roof line, and right at the roof line, reject it, falling along the fib circle, inside a fib circle, outside the fib circle, falling to the 0.5 right now in the fib, using it as support. Gold is so disappointing. But you know, my thesis on gold is this will really start to take off. And it's not going to really start to take off till you start to see the markets tank, okay? And the markets aren't tanking yet. They're slightly correcting. It's just normal market price flow. They're coming down, they're pushing up. They're coming down, they're pushing up. But this will really start to take off. Gold, silver, we track them, we trade them in the room. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, check out the room. I promise you, I think you'll really, really enjoy it. You can check the trades out there. The trades have been fantastic. And use the link in the video description, my friends. If you have any questions, message Lee. He will take care of you in the Discord. Download Discord. Use the same email you register with Discord with and sign up to the room. Click the link. Talk to you guys soon. Another video coming soon, my friends.